This error occurs when the users attempt to install and run a Linux distribution using the Windows Subsystem for Linux feature. So in this video, let's have a look at the solutions that will hopefully fix the problem. Now, the first thing that we recommend doing is making sure that all the relevant services like Hyper-V are enabled. And in order for you to do it, open Control Panel, choose the Programs option, then click on Programs and Features, click on Turn Windows Feature on or off, and in the following dialog box, check mark the box associated with the Hyper-V, and then click OK. Once done, you have to restart your computer and check if the issue is resolved. Now, if a server is acting up, the easiest way to fix this is by restarting the LXSS Manager service. In order for you to do that, open Services, double-click on LXSS Manager service, click on the Stop option, wait for a few seconds, and then hit Start. Once the service is restarted, check if the issue is resolved. Another fix you can try is enable nested virtualization. All you have to do is open PowerShell with admin rights, type in the following command, then press Enter. Now launch the Hyper-V Manager, right-click on the virtual machine, choose Settings, click Memory, then increase the startup RAM value by double, and uncheck the box for Enable Dynamic Memory. Once done, click Apply, and select OK to save the changes. Now you have to right-click on your virtual machine again, choose Connect, and let the system restart and try installing and running the Ubuntu again. And that's how you can fix the following error code in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.